हेलो फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ़ यू। मेरा नाम राम है। इस वीडियो में आपके लिए बहुत कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस डिस्कशन करने वाला हूँ। सो दीज क्वेश्चंस आर मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस फॉर एवरी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम, सो लाइक सेंट्रल और स्टेट एग्जाम्स। सो फर्स्ट वन, सो आवर क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट्स नाउ। द स्पार्कलिंग ऑफ डायमंड इज ड्यू टू, so options are total internal reflection of light and interference of light and polarization of light and refraction of light. So our answer is option number A, the total internal reflection of light. So he asking about diamond. So diamond में क्या होता है, वो whenever the light is on diamond, so the light is, I mean, एक दूसरे को टकराता है. So that's why the internal reflection of light. So इसका वजह होता है. So next one, the oceans currents are in example of. So options are convection, conduction, insulation and radiation. So oceans are current is an example of convection. So इसका answer option number A, convection is the answer. So next one, which of the following is a good conductor? So good conductor of heat but a bad conductor of electricity. So good conductor for heating purpose and bad conductor for electricity. So the options are first one celluloids, rubber, asbestos and mica. So answer for this question is mica. So mica is a bad conductor of electricity and good conductor of heating purpose. That's why the answer is mica. So next one, a piece of wood in held in under water, the upthrust of on the it will be. So options are, so equal to weight of the wood and less than the weight of the wood, more than the weight of the wood, and option 4 0. So answer for this question is less than the weight of the wood. So second one is the answer. So next one, in MRI machines, which one of the following is used? So options are first one sound wave, X-rays, ultrasound wave and magnetic wave. So जब भी MRI machines में magnetic waves are used. So option number 4 is the correct one. So next one, for a person having hypermetropia, the near point is. So a person having hypermetropia, so options are greater than 25 centimeters, greater than 50 centimeters and less than 25 centimeters or infinity. So जब भी hypermetropia, the answer is greater than 50 centimeters. So answer is B. The amount of water vapor in the atmosphere measured in the terms of. So options are humidity, droplets and smog and all of the above. So इसका answer humidity. So option number A, humidity. So next one, name the process of producer of energy in the sun. Options are nuclear fission, radioactivity, nuclear fusion and ionization. So he asking about energy production of energy in the sun. So that's why the answer is nuclear fusion. So fusion. So next one, the device used to change the speed of electric fan. So options are amplifiers, regulators, switch and rectifiers. So इसका आंसर रेगुलेटर है. जब भी आप फैन में स्पीड कंट्रोल और इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज करने के लिए रेगुलेटर्स आर यूज्ड. सो नेक्स्ट वन, द ओजोन होल्स दैट हैज़ बीन डिटेक्टेड लाइज इन द एटमॉस्फेयर अबव. सो ऑप्शंस आर आर्कटिक ओशन, अंटार्कटिक ओशन, इंडियन ओशन, अलास्का. सो इसका आंसर अंटार्कटिका ओशन. So option number 2. Next one, which of the following wavelength the light is the most effective in photosynthesis? So options are blue, green, orange or yellow. So whenever we photosynthesis process, the wavelength of most effective light is blue. So answer is A. So blue is the answer. So next one. Why is it difficult to breathe at higher altitudes? So options are due to low air pressure, due to low temperature, due to ozone, due to humidity. So इसका आंसर low pressure. So due to low pressure, we facing a difficulty for breathing the high altitude. So next one. Why is it difficult to breathe higher altitude? So this is again one. So इसका आंसर due to high pressure. So next one. The person for a swimming pool to appears less deep than the actual depth. So किस वजह से ऐसा होता? So options are so refraction, light scattering, reflection and interference. So इसका आंसर refraction. So next one. Alternating current is converted into direct current. So AC is converted into DC. So which device we use? So options are the transformer, dynamo, oscillator and rectifier. So इसका आंसर option number 4. Rectifier is convert AC into DC. So next one. Remote sensing devices has an inbuilt sources of options are X-ray, G-rays, ultraviolet ray or infrared ray. So answer is infrared ray. So remote sensing devices has inbuilt to infrared rays. So next one. The atmosphere is heated mainly due to options are insulation, conduction, radiation and convection. So the atmosphere is heated mainly due to radiation. So answer C is the answer, radiation. So next one. The atmospheric layer reflecting radio waves is called. Options are ozone sphere, ionosphere, stratosphere and mesosphere. So the answer is ionosphere. Next one. Cryogenic is a science of dealing with. So cryogenic is dealing with options are high temperature, low temperature and friction and wears and growth of crystals. So whenever you see the cryogenics, it deals with low temperature. So answer is B. Next one. Heat from sun reaches to earth by. Options are reflection, conduction, radiation and convection. So answer is radiation. Next one. Commonly used thermometric substances. So we use thermometric substances are options are mineral oil, alcohol, mercury and petrol. So here the thermometric machines we use mercury. So answer C. So mercury you will use. So next one. Gamma rays can caused by. So options are gamma mutation and sneezing, burning and fever. So answer is mutation. So next one. The dimension of which of the following same as that impulse. So options are volume, momentum, torque and change in the rate of momentum. So इसका आंसर momentum. So impulse and momentums are same. So next one. Which among the following fundamental quantities? So options are volume, the time, velocity and force. So the fundamental quantity is time. So answer is the time. So next one. The global warming is expected to result in? So options are increasing the level of sea, changing the crop pattern, changing the coastlines, all of the above. So इसका आंसर all of the above. Whenever we global warming, these three causes are we will see. So next one. A transformer work on the principle of. So options are self-inductance, mutual inductance, generator and inverter. So जब भी ट्रांसफार्मर म्यूचुअल इंडक्शन प्रिंसिपल पे वर्क करता है, सो ऑप्शन इज म्यूचुअल इंडक्टेंस. So thank you friends, thank you for watching this video. Please, it's a request for you, can you please share your friends with at least 5 members of your friends. So thank you, have a nice day.